I have a really easy sheet pan supper for you tonight, and it's a great fall sheet pan supper. And I'm just cutting up a package of Brussels sprouts. I'm cutting off the ends, the little stem, and then I'm cutting them in half. If they're really big, you might even want to cut them in quarters. I just want them to roast pretty quickly and pretty evenly, but those done. And then apples. Use a really tart, very crisp apple. Don't use anything that's going to get overly mushy on your sheet pan, but I'm using 2 apples. And I kind of like Fuji or Gala apples for this. I just think they lend a really nice, sweet, tart, crisp essence to this. And I'm going to kind of just cut them in chunks. I'm just, as you see, throwing everything on a sheet pan. And then the final ingredient that goes on my sheet pan are chicken sausages. Now, buy real flavorful chicken sausages. The Italian ones are great because they're going to impart a lot of flavor to your sheet pan supper. And I'm just going to kind of cut them in diagonal pieces so there's more roasting area, more surface area to get all caramelized and yummy. And I've got 4 chicken sausages. That's what came in my package. There's all that. And then I just need some olive oil. Be a little generous with it. You want those Brussels to get very, very toasty. And then some salt. Brussels need a lot of salt. And then some pepper. Super easy seasonings. And then just give them a toss. Hands are the best tool. And then this is gonna go into my 425 oven for about 30 minutes. And it's gonna be so good. There we go, out of the oven. 30 minutes later, the sausages and the Brussels are nice and roasty. Then I'm gonna use, this is grape must. You can use balsamic glaze if you want, easier to find. My friend Pam gave me this grape must and I've been using it. It's very similar to balsamic. Absolutely delicious, but drizzle this liberally on top. And then just give it a little toss about. Yum. And just plate it up. Wow. And I put the grape must or balsamic glaze on there as soon as it came out of the oven, so it's going to still be sticky and adhere to everything, giving this a slight sweet tart taste on top of everything else. And I've got to get one of those roasted Brussels in there and a bite of apple. Oh. Wow. Okay, you have to give this one a try. Dinner's ready!